Hey there shoppers, it's Amy and I can't wait to share with you all about this new Reolink camera. This is a PT camera and you're going to notice this cool ball and socket joint design that allows you 360-degree rotation. You're not going to find those blind spots like you get with other cameras. You're able to go up, down, and all around to get a full view of what's going on in your home. This set that I opened up today comes with 2 different cameras, but it's really cool when you pair this with the Reolink hub, and we'll talk more about that in a moment. You can actually expand the system up to 8 different cameras. This can go inside your house, outside your house, and it's going to really give you a full security system at home that you can DIY yourself. It's very easy. You're gonna notice that there are no wires here with this setup. You can use a solar panel for additional charging, so you never have to worry about it. Or if you're in a low sun environment, or maybe you have them indoors, you can, of course, charge them up as needed. Super easy. No wires means you don't have to hire an electrician, and it's super easy to do yourself. In fact, not only is the installation itself very easy, but just hooking this up to the hub and to the app is completely simple. It only takes a few moments, and I guarantee you, I'm not a tech-savvy person. I had no problem with this, and I know that you won't either. The thing about Reolink is that they are super easy for consumers to use all of their products, whether it's their Wi-Fi extenders that I use every day, whether it's the security systems. They just make sense, and they're super intuitive and user-friendly, and I love that. Not only that, but when you check on the system from the app, which yes, there is a really user-friendly app that you can use anywhere in the world. It is safe. It is encrypted, and it's not going to be something that you have to worry about those security issues like you do with other companies. In addition, you get smart features included in the app, absolutely free. So many other security companies are going to sell you their system, and then they are going to come with it. You know, if you want to use this feature, you got to pay an extra monthly fee, and they're trying to nickel and dime you over and over again for years and years. Not with Reolink. You don't have to worry about that. You have access to all the smart features in the app without paying additional money. I love that. I love that everything is just upfront, it's clear, it's trustworthy, and it just makes sense for my family and my budget. Additionally, you don't have to worry about that storage going to a cloud somewhere that you can't access unless you pay them money. Instead, all on your hub, you're going to have local storage on your device for up to a year of recording at a time. That's really incredible, not only because you have that locally, you don't have to worry about someone accessing it from far away because it's all there in your home. And also that means that if they're not going to cut your wires, they're not going to, if your electricity or something like that goes out, you still have the access to see what's going on. So you are secure throughout any situation or potential blackouts or anything like that. You're still recording and you still see what's going on. So it's very safe. It's very easy. It's super convenient. On top of all that, you're gonna get a beautiful picture. It's 4K. It's absolutely beautiful. Not only are you seeing up, down, and all around, but you're seeing it in a beautiful picture that resembles real life. So you can see exactly what, if someone broke in, you can see what their face looks like. If, you need to see a license plate, you're able to easily see that because it is a clear, beautiful picture. Not only in daytime, but also in nighttime as well. And there are actually 2 different night modes. One is in color and the other is black and white, so you can choose which one works for you. Of course, there's 2-way audio. Of course, on the app, you're going to have the option to pull things up, to hear what's going on, to see what's going on, and you can share that app with your family and friends and give access to whoever needs it. It's safe, it's secure, it's convenient, it is super easy. It pairs with that Reolink hub that just makes everything so much easier, and you can expand the system up to 8 different cameras. And of course, you can use that solar panel for added convenience and added environmental benefits and lessening your electricity bill, of course. All wire-free, super convenient, easy to install, absolutely anyone can do it. I love Reolink. I think they are an amazing brand, one that I trust for my Wi-Fi extenders that I've trusted for years, and now my security system. This is a really, really great option, and I love the ability of the smart design of this to go 360 degrees, absolutely incredible, up, down, all around, and give you that full 4K, beautiful, bright color picture, even at nighttime and low light conditions. You guys are gonna love this one. I love it. I'm gonna leave you all of the links and all the information in the description below. I encourage you to go ahead and get to shopping. Adios, amigos.